Want to get ripped without spending hours in the gym or buying expensive equipment? Dead hangs may be the simple bodyweight exercise you've been looking for. Dead hangs, also called passive hangs, involve holding yourself up with straight arms from a pull-up bar or other overhead bar for a time. This deceivingly basic exercise activates muscles throughout your upper body in order to stabilize your whole body weight. Read on to discover 10 powerful benefits of incorporating dead hangs into your routine. First and foremost, dead hangs build incredible grip and forearm strength. As you suspend your entire body weight from the bar, your hands, fingers and forearms have to work incredibly hard to keep you from falling. Just hanging onto the bar for time will result in vice-like grip strength. In addition to grip strength, dead hangs also target your lats. Your latissimus dorsi are the large, powerful back muscles that give width to your upper body. As you hang from the bar, your lats engage to pull your shoulder blades down and hold your upper body in proper alignment. Dead hangs overload the lats, forcing them to work hard against gravity. Further, dead hangs activate the muscles between your shoulder blades. The rhomboids and middle trapezius must fire in order to stabilize your scapula and keep your shoulders depressed during this full-body suspension exercise. These important postural muscles become stronger over time. Dead hangs also require tremendous core strength. As your body hangs freely from the bar, your core must brace intensely to keep your torso stable and prevent swinging or rotating. Your entire core has to work as a unit to maintain a solid midline while suspended. In addition to training core stability, dead hangs also build abdominal and oblique strength. Your rectus abdominis must stay contracted to keep your torso from folding at the hips, while your internal and external obliques activate to prevent lateral swinging. Another benefit of dead hangs is increased shoulder stability. By suspending your body weight from an overhead bar, your shoulder joints are forced to stabilize against gravity. This improves alignment and function over time. Speaking of shoulders, don't forget about the deltoids. Your anterior, lateral and posterior delts all work together to keep your arm joints centered in their sockets while hanging. This isometric contraction strengthens the entire shoulder complex. Dead hangs also give your biceps, triceps and forearms an intense challenge. Your arm, wrist and hand flexors fight against full body weight to maintain your grip. Meanwhile, your extensors fire to keep your elbows straight. This results in well-rounded upper body conditioning. Want bigger traps? Dead hangs can help with that too. As you suspend upside down, your upper trapezius engage to shrug your scapula and support your neck and head. Holding your entire body weight challenges this upper back muscle responsible for that boulder look. Finally, by distracting your body with this intense full body engagement, dead hangs provide a simultaneous mental challenge. Focusing on proper form and breathing while hanging demands concentration. This meditative focus results in a mind-clearing workout for your brain as well. To begin enjoying all these benefits for yourself, make sure you have access to a secure pull-up bar or overhead bar. Set a timer and challenge yourself to hold a dead hang for time, building up your grip and mental fortitude. Or, complete reps of short 10-second holds. Squeeze your shoulders down and back while bracing your core, and remember to keep breathing deeply. Dead hangs exercise your whole body in new ways for muscle development, strength and stability. Add them into your routine and feel the difference. Let me know in the comments below if you try dead hangs, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fitness tips and tricks.